Paano ba gumawa ng PayPal account? Punta tayo sa browser and search natin yung PayPal. And click natin yung login into your PayPal and click sign up kung wala pa kayong PayPal. And then click personal account and continue. Type lang natin yung email address natin and click next, and type natin yung number natin, then click next. And dito mag-create tayo ng ating password. Click next lang natin. Dito type natin yung ating first name, middle name, and last name. Click next lang natin. And dito may additional information tayo. Dito natin i-upload yung national ID natin, passport, or driver license. Enter natin lang yung info natin sa ID natin. Click next. And dito, type natin yung address natin. And click lang natin yung agreement. Agree and create account. Maghahanap siya ng additional address natin. Type lang natin. And click agree and create account. And not now. And kapag gusto niyo nang ilagay yung credit card niyo, pwede naman. Kahit hindi niyo ilagay, pwede din. And click not now. And click natin yung confirm your mobile number. And click natin next. And maghahanap siya ng OTP. Tanong natin. And enter lang natin. And continue. Kapag na-verify na natin ang phone number natin, pwede na natin gamitin ang ating PayPal account.